Africa Content TV.
Has come back to talk. And that's why I can. Praising the minister because he's the one. The minister, where you know the color, is the one that facilitated and went. We saw our crowd on this road. This road is Osun road. 13 years of the abandoned before I got to become the king in 2015. And this minister, may God bless you. You will never live your life in sickness. Don't matter when you Minister is the one that went and met the president about this road. He said this road, I went to the former governor that time. I went to the minister of works that time. You are the minister of works today. Excellency David Imali. And during your time, my tears have been turned to God. May your tears, anywhere it is, always be God and your family. That also with the candidate of APC today, which is actually they went to the president and said, this road must be done. During the time of Governor Bola, he actually started this road. He started it. He awarded the contract to this same peculiar. Our son, please let them see you. Peculiar. That is our son. We are proud of you. But we thank God today. I greet everybody here. I won't be able to say a word about people who are here. But ẹ̀kọ́ mi ló di ayọ̀ lẹ́nu. Èmi gan ló yẹ kí ẹ máa pèlè ẹ̀kọ́ dayọ̀ àti àwọn ọba yìí. Olúlẹ́gbọ́ mo kí ní o, Matthew, mo kí ní orúkọ, mo kí ní 13 years minister, this road, there is big trees on this road. Now it is growing already, big. And in 2016, no, it's not there anymore. I was not that person. In 2016, when I became the king, I went on this road. I went to meet the governor that time. I don't need to mention it. They said no money. I said, okay, these are my people's way. So I started resuming work on that road. From 8 a.m. I will leave here at 6 p.m. Carrying that road with cement. Which I don't know that the cement I used to fix that road will be the cement they will use to reconstruct that road today. Cement that I was using that time is an experience that I know from Toronto, Canada. Our road 401, which is the longest road that you can say, 401 spans from all the way Maritime, Nova Scotia, to all the way to Vancouver. They use cement to do it. And that's the same cement I use on that road. And I fix that road for 4 kilometers. And I'm thanking the president. Let everybody hear it. This president, what we have never seen, NetCon. I've never heard about NetCon. I only heard about this financial aid in Canada, in America. That's where we heard about financial aid for students. You students, let me tell you, if you don't vote Bola Tinubu, your life, you are playing with your life. Autonomy of local government, you kings, you are now taking your money directly into your hand. And you know how much you collected. Kings here, they know how much they collected. When there was no autonomy, I have collected as a paramount ruler. Paramount ruler. they collect 100,000 per month. 300,000. But when this autonomy comes, and you're like, support my wife. Láti mọ̀ pé odidi ìyókù ọgbẹ́ inú rẹ̀. Àbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lè yàn sọ̀bọ̀ ọba àdúrà. Ọmọlúwàbí tó lè ọba àdúrà. Ọba àti mẹ́fà àbọ̀ ìyókù ọgbẹ́ inú ọba. Kó sọ lòdì. Wo ẹ̀yin ẹ máa wò ó. Ìwọ má ṣe ibi tí Bọ́lá Tinubu bá lè lọ. Má ṣe bẹ̀. Ebi ọ̀pá I know how many kings pay them, and I know how much they have. Minister, Excellency David Umahi, I know the amount that we collect before. I know the amount we collect now. Minister Oyetola, thank you very much. May God bless you. You will always be blessed. Bola Tinubu, anywhere you are, may sickness never know your place. May death never come to your house. You will not die now, and your name will not die for him. Because during your time, no governor in the history of Nigeria, no government has ever collected the money they are collecting now. Go and check it. Money has quadrupled. Some of them are straight penny that they are collecting now. There is no way and there is no excuse for any Osun people to be wallowing in poverty. There is no excuse for Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, they are citizens. The president cannot come to your house, he will only give it to your governor. And the governor should come and do it for you. Baby bank for Setobi Adio. In this one. I want to do that for you. Back to Soto, for you. I am your man. Also, that for you. Yes, in the power for me, and your Osun. You're there for you. I'm greeting you all. Thank you very much, Minister. Permanent Secretary of Works, our father who is here, may God bless you. Our mother, the next incoming governor.